Hello friends and welcome back to GoodGrades Mathematics Online Tutorial. Previous year's question paper discussion for class 10 Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. Okay. So today coordinate geometry ki taruk suba session ni. Okay. One error ama rectify tawjage mamangi session 4 na anirak hankare. Okay. 4 dagi 5 lakadavadu adum 4 na sigi session 6 is a 4 na igre, but that is supposed to be the 5th session and this is the 6th session. Okay, apologies for this error. So let's start with the 6th session. Okay, so the area of a triangle when among the area of a triangle formula derived to expression derived to session number 5. Let me repeat again, session number 5 to Togre, and today is the 6th session. So the triangle zigi vertices hongi coordinates pyram. Okay, and we have to find the area. See, one marker ke amutang hangdang id, but it is good to discuss because we would have a chance to revise the formula. So question jina kai pyram me haiba matamda matra hamba A is in a 0.5 nen lower z, B is in a 1.3 nen lower z, and C is in a 6.7 nen lower z. Okay, and we have to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so hambada natra koina x1 ji karino ani thoksi x1 is equal to 0 natra y1 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to 1, and y2 is equal to 3, x3 is equal to 6, and y3 is equal to 7. Natra adudi area is equal to koina area is ningjang nawa kari taugi half natra 1 2 3 natra the x1 lawradi mathang subudu y2 minus y3 plus x2 lawradi ani subudu y3 minus y1 plus x3 lawradi y1 minus y2. So let us substitute the values. x1 kano x1 is 0 natra y2 minus y3 is 3 minus 7 plus x2 is 1, y3 minus y1 is 7 minus 5. Okay, plus x3 is 6, y1 minus y2 is 5 minus 3. Okay, now we have half 0 into minus 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 6 into 2. Okay, next is half 0 into minus 4 is 0 lani plus 2 plus 12. Okay, so we have half into 14, which is equal to 7 square units. Okay, this is the square unit. So this is the area of the given triangle. Okay, so this is the keynote important point amani haige. Okay, so this is yamkanna luba but something to remember by when this comes out. See, so idana lakani noina practice to this area ze aikoina hotlakpa matamda negative tabe yaurkani. Okay, samna hairabada karigumba sidaisida x3 is negative oina piramo natra 6 ki mota minus 6 oina piramo, or x2 is negative oina piramo natra 1 ki mota minus 1 and piramo sida minus 1 and piramo natra there is a minus 6 and piramo adu ita disi kya lani minus 2 minus 12 lani minus 14 lani natra, and area di putorpudi divided by half lakpani na natra minus 7 lani area. Okay, but area hariba concept, area hariba quantity is minus tab yagadra. I have a question amala pakuju minus oibi yagadra ne natra lumbu minus oibi yagadra natra dukan da pole chapada cheng kilo minus ani khata piyo haibi adi natra admai tawdana fi leb chapada minus ani square meter gi khungau tunaba frit piyo khungau fi piyo haibi adi. So area hariba pot se this can never be negative. Negative oil sunya yandi aduna karigumba answer si negative tarakpa tarabasu we should always take the modulus of it. Modulus haibidi karino minus 7 lakpa matamda value do akoina 7 haina lawani. Okay, so this is very important. Area is a negative tarpi negative tar en lana law lale haina lawnu akoina negative tarido negative sign to discard of you and only take the magnitude positive OA na of you. So this is one important aspect. Okay, so this is how to find the area of a triangle using the formula x1 y2 minus y3 plus x3 y3 minus 1 y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So this is the formula ningjang naba mamangi session da 1 2 3 anti-clockwise set key trick ama haigra. Okay, so this is how you solve this problem. And Taraniko, so thanks for joining. This is the end of session number 6. And I'll see you in the next session. Thank you very much.